This video is sponsored by Autolite, manufacturers of high-quality spark plugs since 1935. Visit Autolite.com for more information.
There is a belief out there among some technicians that says you have to use the exact same plug that came on the vehicle originally when it rolled out of the factory. The reality of it is, that's not true. Spark plug design has stayed the same, and it's about the same for all the different vehicles out there. There have been changes. Yes, they've gotten a little bit smaller in diameter. The materials have changed from copper to platinum to iridium, and for the most part, some heat ranges in the design of the insulator have changed and actually improved. But the overall functionality and also how it goes into the engine, it stayed the same. The reason for this? Well, auto manufacturers are not going to design a brand new spark plug technology for a vehicle. This could be very, very costly. This would mean if every engine they design, they had a brand new spark plug technology, it could get very, very expensive and the consumer would have to pay for it. Yes, there are unicorns out there like the strap plug that was used by Ford. But for the most part, the spark plug design, it's going to stay the same across many manufacturers, and it's going to go in the same way, function in the same way. So when you're selecting a plug for a customer, make sure you're using the same technology. If it's an iridium plug, replace it with an iridium plug. If it's a platinum plug, you can use platinum or upgrade them to iridium. The one thing that you do not want to do is take a customer that has a platinum plug and downgrade that to a copper core plug. This changes the service interval for the vehicle. So when you're selecting a plug for a vehicle, make sure you're selecting the one for the customer that matches their needs. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.